Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my kitchen. We're going to be cooking today. We're going to be making a little stew. We're actually going to be stewing vegetables. So we're going to be doing a Trini style stewed mushrooms and cauliflower in today's video. So in Trinidad, we stew just about anything. I am sure you guys could probably agree with that to some extent. So why not stew the vegetables as well if you're looking for delicious veggie options? And mushrooms and cauliflower were some of the vegetables that I actually had in my fridge, of course, because in previous videos you guys would have seen that I used mushrooms and cauliflower. So why not just stew it, make a delicious meal? Now remember, you can actually stew the mushrooms alone, or you can just stew the cauliflower alone, or just make it interesting, stew both of them like I'm gonna do. So let's jump into this quick demonstration now. It is just the same stew process like if you're stewing any meat. It's the same way, except instead of adding meat, we're gonna be adding the vegetables. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Try that out if you have not tried that before. If you don't like any of the vegetables, replace it with just about any vegetable of your choice. Of course, as always with all my videos and recipes, most important thing is to have fun. If you have any questions, let me know, comment down below. The full recipe will be found in my website. The link for that will be in the description box down below, so you guys can check that out. Thanks as always for watching, always very much appreciated. I shall see you guys in my next video.